Okay, so I was cursed with naturally curly hair. I say cursed, a lot of people will be like, oh, yeah, look at this, oh my God. Yeah, no, everyone always wants what they don't have. You know what I mean? Actually, I was a buzz cut guy my whole life because of this madness. But this is bedhead. This isn't what it looks like normally. I can't tell you how many YouTube videos I watched, how many websites I Googled. I was like, can somebody, I just want to tame the curly hair. Can somebody please, right? Because I would look like fucking Gene Wilder and Willy Wonka at the very end where he's yelling at Charlie. You drank fizzy lifting drink. Good day, sir.
Good day, sir!
And it came down to one simple trick. Step one, get your hair wet. You can't just wake up and go, but regardless. So step one, wet the fucking hair. Oops. Sorry about that. All right, so the hair's wet. Now, all of these tutorials that I've seen will tell you, careful how you dry your hair. Don't use a normal towel. Here's the thing. I don't fully agree with that.
What?
I think you can use a normal towel as long as you don't be so fucking aggressive with your hair. There's no need. Literally just take the towel and kind of just dab it. It's okay. It's okay that it's not, I know, people with curly hair are cringing right now, but I'm telling you, as long as you don't fucking, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't. Great, now that that's over, now, here comes literally the only step. Fucking pomade. Well, you know what's funny? When you read the side, oh, it actually doesn't say on this one, but on the side of another pomade, it literally said perfect for curly hair. And I was like, I'm telling you, I watched so many tutorials on YouTube. Not one person has mentioned, hey, to tame the frizz and the curls, you just need a little bit of pomade. This is what I'm using. I like this Harry's shit. It's Harry's right in the middle. Obviously not sponsored with my 40 fucking subscribers, but either way, Harry's, good stuff. You can get it like Target, CVS, it's like fucking 10 bucks. Okay, now watch this, ready? Just literally. This, get up in there, get in the back, and you're still doing the same thing that everyone fucking tells you to do, scrunch your hair, scrunch your head, whatever. Yeah, same shit. Already looking better. It's already looking like, oh, we've got it. And then honestly from there, that's it. I give it a good shake. And then I let it dry. And make sure, okay, I made this mistake before, make sure it's a matte finish, because if you get a shiny finish, you will look like a fucking grease ball. Matte finish. Don't fuck this up. And also the great thing about the pomade is that you can just you just keep going on with your morning routine, and it doesn't take, it almost helps dry your hair faster. So finish your morning routine. Oh. You go back in with a little bit more pomade. Little bit. Don't use as much as the first time because we're not just.
Trust me.
Don't use as much as the first time. Rub that shit in again. And just do the same thing. Just literally, get it in there. That's pretty much it. And then you kind of you let it dry. Life-changing. So, anyways, that's it. That's my hot tip. I wanted to rock it. I'm 30 years old now. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna have this hair, so I'm trying to enjoy it. All right, well, this has been fun. Hopefully it's been informative. Probably not. Let me know how it goes, if anybody sees this. I don't fucking know.
A few minutes later.
All right. Pomade. Give it a try. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. Because like I said, I looked everywhere. I was trying to Oh God, it was infuriating. I'd be like, but no, nothing worked. Nothing worked.
The pomade works.
Godspeed.